Nick Berlin with Berlin Builds. Today I'm going to talk to you about this Metabo 18 gauge trim nailer. It's been a really good gun. I just want to talk to you about some of the features that I like about it. Just so you know, I'm a finished carpenter. I do this full time. So I've had this gun in my truck and trailer for about 2 months now, and I've been pretty impressed with it. It's a simple little gun, but it's got some cool features. One of the features of the gun that I really like is you actually have this little viewing window right here. So you can see when you're getting close to being out of nails. And the follower that's inside the magazine is yellow. So if you can see yellow right here, you know you're out of nails at that point, or just about to be out. It's also really easy to clear any jams. You got this little lever right here, so you just open that up and you can access this part, clear any jams that you might get on the gun. Another thing that I like about it is that it has a single fire mode, which is very standard for all 18 gauge nailers. You know, pull the trigger one time, one nail comes out. But it also has, I call it bump fire mode. I'm not totally sure exactly what it's called, but when I hold this trigger back, every time I depress the nose, it will shoot a nail, which is awesome. It's been really helpful, especially when I've got things nailed off. It's really nice just to be able to come back and just tack in a bunch of nails really quickly. Now, you might be wondering, you know, that's all fun and games, Nick, but does this thing actually work? So let me give you a little test run on it. So this is just the single fire mode. These are 2-inch nails. You can see it's driving it really cleanly all the way into the material. So no struggles, it cycles through very easily. Now we're gonna switch over to that bump fire mode. So all I have to do is hold the trigger, and every time I depress the nose, it'll fire. You can see the consistency that's there. The bump fire mode, it doesn't drive it in as far as it does on the single fire mode, but for what I'm doing, this works just fine. Another feature that I like about this gun that is actually pretty handy is that you can adjust where the air shoots out on the gun. So that way when you're in a closet or you're in a tight space, if you don't want this thing shooting into your ear, you can actually change it. It's really simple. You just twist this little part right here and you can redirect where the air is coming out. I haven't had any issues with this gun. Every now and then I get a jam, but that's common, and it hasn't jammed on me very much at all. It's been a good little gun. I would recommend this to you if you're doing finished carpentry full-time, or if you're a homeowner that's looking to do some more serious do-it-yourself projects. This is a really good gun for you. I picked it up for about $120. If you're interested, I have a link in the description below where you can go buy the same gun. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get more content like this, as well as like it. And if you have any questions, throw them in the comments below. Thank you.